Okay, we're busy training our mind, and I have another quote for you to start thinking about. Walt Disney said, if you can dream it, you can do it. And I know so many amazing people in very strong positions, politicians, celebrities, leaders, have all said, if you can see it, you can achieve it. It is true. It is true. And you have to use visualization to get there. I mean, let's go back to Walt Disney. He did not start out a wealthy man. He was trying to get friends to invest in his dream, and he saw this dream. And he went to a swampy, nasty area outside of Los Angeles to build the most amazing amusement park in the world. And it worked. And he did it. And one of those people was Art Linkletter, who said no. And Art Linkletter said for the rest of his life, pretty much, he could kick himself to no end. If you can see it, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. Visualize those thoughts. Stay focused on your dream because it is absolutely possible. And you were put here to achieve that. Okay? Let me know what you're achieving. I'm anxious to hear. Talk to y'all later.